Hey, I want to make this video quick. This is Kurumu Kurono from Rosario Vampire, and I drew her in about 40 minutes and used $12 colors, and tried recording on my webcam, but I pressed start record instead of upload. You have to press upload before you press record. Things I used were PM12, Prismacolor Premier marker on the skin, 24 pack of Prismacolors colored pencils, hold on, let me get it, a 0.1 micron for inking, and that's in my Premiere sketchbook, 100 pages, 9 times 12 inch. So yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe, and check out my other videos.